Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. My dear students, regarding our previous discussion, we have already discussed a lot of ideas as well as information related with the topic like email writing. During that very discussion, I have already provided you a lot of informations, ideas, as well as a problem for you. And I am sure that all of you succeed to sort out that very problem correctly. So that's why today I think to start a new topic for you like article writing. So all of you carefully, minutely and seriously focus my today's video and follow me. Articles writing. Articles are written to give views or convey some information on a variety of themes as an event, person, action, place, opinion, etc. In a long and sustained piece of writing. Now just after then, we have to think about the main content of an article. First one now. It should have an eye-catching title. Next one now. Accurate and effective style should be followed. Next now. Paragraphs should introduce the theme and should not be very long or untidy. Next one now. Originality of ideas makes an article attractive. Next one now. There should be logical development of ideas from sentence to sentence and paragraph to paragraph. Now, my dear students, we have to think about the main types of articles. There are two types of articles. First one, magazine articles. These are general articles concerning the various activities of the school. Next and second now, newspaper articles. These may be on a variety of subjects or common interest. Now we should have to discuss something related with a correct format of an article. First point here like heading. First of all, a heading should be eye-catching. Next one now, just after finishing the heading, we have to think about byline. It means the name of the writer. Now, introduction. The first paragraph should introduce the subject. It should tell the reader what the paragraph is about and should be able to arouse his interest. Third point now, like develop cause effect relationship. We have to use facts to give examples. Presentation of views must be logical and coherent. Now, as the next point, comparison and contrast. We should give views contrary to yours. Say why your views are better. At last, we have to think about its conclusion. It means the summing up, consolidation of ideas, offering suggestions or measures to improve the situation. Now, just after discussion of its format, now we have to think about its important points. First of all, give only relevant information. Next one now, the presentation should be in an appropriate format and style. Next one now, keep word limit in mind. And at last, articles needn't any box. Now my dear student, just after providing such ideas or information, I would have to think about a problem along with its solution. As for a question like, write an article in 100 to 120 words on the topic increasing population in the cities. You are Ram or Rama. You may use the following clues also, like migration from village, more jobs, better educational facilities, effect on living conditions, overcrowding slums, water and power supply, as well as traffic jams. Now my dear students, first of all, we should have to think about the title, heading, as well as its topic, like increasing population in the cities. Just after then, you have to leave one line, and after then, in the middle of the topic or heading, we have to create byline like Ram or Rama according to the questions, according to the problems. Just after then, I shall try my best to explain as it has been often said that India is a country of the village. However, there seems to be an increasing trend of the village moving towards the cities. This is making the cities crowded. The villagers move to the cities in search of jobs, better educational facilities, and housing. This has affected the living conditions in the cities. Now, as the second part of explanation, like the main theme. In every big city, we find slums in every corner. They begin as unauthorized construction, so the facilities of a decent life are few. The people in these slums do not get enough potable water or proper power supply. In fact, their presence make the life of old inhabitants of the city difficult too. The roads become overcrowded and traffic jams cause a lot of trouble. Now, my dear students, just after its main theme, we have to think about its conclusion. As for its conclusion, the government must look into the matter and try to solve the problem. My dear students, just after providing a problem along with its solution, I think to select a question as a problem for you. Now, you have to write an article on the topic like here, an ideal teacher in about 100 to 120 words. For your support, I would have to provide you few hints also. Like, ideal teachers are very rare. They are jewels among people and monarchs in the hearts of their students. Next one now, like, who has a seeing eye, a thinking mind, and feeling hurt, his or her name. After then, feels knowledge, charming personality. After then, remains in touch with the parents. At last, his or her behavior with the other teachers and society. My dear students, I am sure that every one of you can sort out this problem correctly. Now, we have to think about next topic next day. Thanks a lot. God bless you and hope to see you again.